Hello little water colors, my name is Water Reviews, my water reviews and welcome to another video. As you can see guys, I got a brand new camera. And you see in the background, it's got an SD card as well. But this was not about the SD card, it is about the camera. As you can see guys, this is a Sony camera. These are somethings. I'll cut this up. Right. This top, right here. So guys, let's go ahead and open it. The other opening, I'll tell you two means. The first mean is someone touched on my spaghetti, and this one is the other way. It's just a bunch of things. Wait, I will read this camera. Alright. First up, we have here. It's a charging cord, and then we have I just don't know what this is. Then comment below if you know what this is. Right, yeah, two cords. Looks like the battery. Not cord. Usually, I can see this. Not cord. A mini thing. I don't know what it is. And now for the main event. What's that? I'll put this down. Then I'll be all. Alright guys, let's unwrap this. Oh my god, this looks great guys. Yeah.
Just do a look at that. You be careful with it, don't shake it or do anything like that. You've got to put. Where's the card? Where's the card? Just leave it there. You've got to work out how to put it in. So just be careful with it. Don't touch the lens, okay?
Okay.
Don't touch the lens. You need to put it on charge. Don't lose all these bits.